Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to set page border only first page in MS Word document. So I have 12 pages in this Word file, and now you can see that I have border on the all pages. So how you can change page border only on the first page? For this you need to go to the design and click on the page border on the far right side of the Word document. Click on that, and under the borders and shading windows pop up, you need to select the page border tab, and now select the style of the page border. For example, I'll select this one. Choose the color of your choice, for example blue, and choose the width to 1 by 4 pt. In the preview you can see that, and when you click on this OK, the page border will apply to the all pages. So how you can apply onto the first page? For this you need to close the design again, close to the page border, and now apply to the whole document. Click on this arrow and select the this section first page only and click OK to proceed. And now here you can see that the page border has applied only the first page. So this is pretty simple and easy. I hope you understand how you can do that. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.